Almost any subject that you teach in a university has some sort of a dimension that is related to the Catholic intellectual tradition. And we think as a Catholic university it would be very helpful for our students to know something of what on their subject that they're majoring in is linked to the rich Catholic intellectual tradition.
And I think this is what a Catholic university is supposed to do, right? The Catholic university is the place where the church thinks. And we're trying to create an opportunity and to try to create a culture where people can learn more about the tradition, can learn more about its significance for the greater public discourse, and then have a venue for thinking and talking about it as a community.
I am not Catholic. I do not come from a Catholic background, and so coming to a Catholic university was kind of intimidating because I wasn't sure how faith was going to be addressed on campus, but I felt very welcome in my agnosticism over the last couple of years, and it has really given me the opportunity to explore what faith is for other people and what it means to grow up in a faith and to develop that as you age and mature.
We believe in an inclusive Catholicism, a Catholicism that includes others rather than excludes others. So we believe that the Institute for Catholic Thought and Culture can welcome in other religious traditions, can enter into religious dialogue with them, can have great conversation and mutual enrichment. So the kind of Catholic university we try to become is an inclusive Catholic university. And the Institute has a primary role, or a very important role, on welcoming and entering into dialogue with people of other traditions of faith or people of other traditions in terms of their value commitments.
The whole concept of teaching the whole person and not just the subject that you're going into is very important for me. And this campus specifically, I felt promoted that, and that's how I ended up here. But you know, social justice isn't just words for me anymore. I've seen it lived out.
It's pretty clear that the Catholic intellectual tradition is rich, right? And it's a significant past that it has. And I think what I'm interested in as a scholar, living in the early 21st century, is to make sure that it has a future as well.